Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Possessed Pomni. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the head with a circle. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a circle at the top, slightly over to the right side. And then another one underneath. Now in the top eye, let's add another circle towards the top. And then one near the bottom in the other eye. And then another circle inside each of these. And now let's color the inside of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now on the left side, let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve going down. And then a large curve over on the left. Now inside the mouth, let's add the teeth. In the center, let's draw a curve on the right and a V shape over to the left side. Now let's draw another tooth on top and on the bottom in the same way. Now in between these teeth, let's draw a curve on the left and then a point over in between. And then another smaller one on top and one on the bottom. And then one more pair going the other way. And now let's color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Next, let's add the hair. Inside the head, let's draw 2 angles down on the right and close it off at the bottom. And then add another piece of hair underneath in the same way. Now underneath the head, let's draw a piece going down with 2 curves and close it off at the bottom. And then for the next piece, let's start on top and let's draw 2 curves over to the left side. And close off the end as well. And that's it for the hair. Next for the head, let's add the hat. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve over to the right and bring it down. And then in the center on the right, let's draw a line out. Next, let's hop up to the top and let's draw a curve up and over to the right. And then curve it down. Then from the center line, let's bring it up again and bring it down, meeting at a point. And then add a circle at the end. Now for the bottom part of the hat, let's bring it down, another angle from the head, and bring it down to a point. And again, a circle at the end. And lastly, for the hat, let's move in and let's draw the stripes. Let's draw a curve up in the top section, and then up and down. Now in the bottom section, let's draw another bent line across in the center here. And then one more curve inside at the bottom. that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. We're going to start off by drawing the right arm underneath the head. Let's start with a curve down, underneath in the center. And then on the other side of the hair, a curve down and in. Now at the bottom, to close it off, let's draw a curve over and back around. And then let's draw 2 curves inside going down. Now underneath for the arm, let's draw 2 angled lines over to the right side. And then angle them out again. And then close off the end with a curve. Now for the hands, let's step up and let's draw a curve around the bottom of the arm. And then an angle underneath. And then a longer one on top. Now let's add the fingers. Let's start with a bent line underneath, like this. Curve it over and back up. And then angle it up again. Now for the next finger, let's start again with the bent line. Curve it over and back in. And a bent line back up. And then for the last finger, a bent line on top. A small line down. And then curve it up and in. And then lastly for the hand, let's draw 3 lines inside. And that's it for the right arm. Now let's move over and let's draw the torso. Underneath the head, let's draw an angled V shape for the collar. Then angle it out to the right, and then up and in on the left. Now underneath the right arm, let's draw a small curve down, and then a longer curve on the left here. And then curve it up, bringing it out slightly further. And then curve it back in underneath. And the same thing on the bottom left, like this. Now top inside and let's draw 2 circles on the body towards the left. And then add a curved line going down and behind the circles. And one more curve inside on the right here. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move over and let's draw the other arm. Let's start on the left side next to the head and let's draw a curve out and back in. And then add 2 curves inside. And then another smaller curve underneath. Now for the arm, let's angle it out with 2 lines and bring them back down. Now for the hand, let's draw a longer curve underneath and another curve under this one. Now for this hand, let's draw 2 angles down. And for the first finger, let's bring it over to the right and down. Curve it back up. And then back over. Now for the next finger, let's draw an angle down and a bent line underneath. Now let's add another bent line down and over. Curve it back up. And then bring it up and over to close off the hand. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw an angled line inside the middle finger, and then 2 lines across the top of the hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath on the right side, let's draw a curve down and back up, and a smaller curve underneath on the left. And then inside each one, let's draw 2 curves going down. And then a curve underneath each one. Now for each of the legs, let's draw 2 lines down, and then angle each of the lines going back out. Now at the bottom, let's add the shoes. Let's start with an angled line, and a small bent line from the inside, and then from the outside line, let's angle it down and a small line back in. And connect it with a curve across. Next, underneath, let's angle it back out on both sides. And a curve across at the bottom. And that's it for Possessed Pomni. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!